Hello.
Hello.
So, this is the last
Hello.
2 opening videos.
Yes.
It's the penultimate, isn't it? The one before the end.
Yeah. Well, we've got 8 left.
Yeah, so 4 and
So
4.
4 each, do you reckon?
Yeah.
We were doing 3, I think, last week. Not
Yeah.
last week. We were not here
But I
last
think
week,
that-
sorry.
I mean, the last videos were like we breezed
Yeah.
through. So, should we start? You or you?
Yes. You go first. Look at the angry crazy Pokemon though. Rah!
You haven't been on Pokemon Go today, have you?
Yeah, I did this morning.
Have you seen what's around?
There's
Oh,
weird, like,
is that
Team
it?
Rocket confetti.
No, just flicked out.
No, it was off camera.
Okay, right. So,
That's upside down, isn't it?
ready?
Yes. Ends resolve.
That is a new one. I don't think you've got that one before.
No, but don't really know what it is. Okay.
Oh, it's a nice
Jolteon.
Jolteon.
That's an evolution of Eevee.
It's a really nice
Lightning Pokemon. It looks kind of happy and angry all at the same time. Its lungs contain an organ that creates electricity. The crackling sound of electricity can be heard when it exhales.
It's a
So
lightning
it like
Pokemon, isn't it?
burps lightning.
So the
or
question
thunder.
is, are we going to get an Eevee as well in here?
I bet you'd like that, wouldn't you?
Erica.
Erika. Energy!
Yeah.
Brother. Oh, shiny, shiny, shiny.
Okay.
It's a green code card, so that's our shiny for this pack.
Yeah. I know.
Have we had Magnemite?
I don't think we have.
Magnet Pokemon. I think we've had the evolved one. Have we?
Yeah. I don't follow this one here.
It's frequently the cause of power outages, which is why some power plants send out electrical signals that it can't stand. Ah, like a cat scare noise thing. Snorunt.
We've got that one.
Sandshrew. It's
I
the
do-
Alolan Sandshrew.
I don't think we have this one.
Mouse Pokemon. After fleeing a volcanic eruption, it ended up moving to an area of snowy mountains. Its ice shell is as hard as steel.
Yeah, I think that's a new one.
T-Pig. We've had that before. Onyx. We had Onyx?
Yep.
Apom.
Yep.
I
we
hate
had those.
Apom. That's like currently my least
Stop
favourite.
hating on the 8 bombs.
Oh, but it just weirds me out. Like, it has no hands, but then it has a hand on the end of its tail.
And
That's just weird.
it's so it can scratch its nuts easier.
Yeah.
Well, where else would you have a hand there?
Why would you need to scratch his nuts?
So you can get the husks off.
Oh.
Duh.
Do they eat nuts? Oh, it's a green one as well. I bet you, in the other video where we opened like 3 with the white card, that's it. That's all our white card ones, isn't it?
Probably. Tag call. Hmm?
Not very exciting.
What's that? B-side.
Bestiate?
Bestiate? Don't know. We really need to start playing this game.
Oh!
So, Prinplup.
That's evolved from Piplup.
Yep. It lives alone, away from others. Apparently every one of them believes it is the most important.
Ah. Egotistical things.
Mm-hmm.
Energy.
Normal energy. Wheezing! Yeah, we've had Wheezing.
This is like the evolved pack, isn't it? Everything was evolved.
We've
had
had
a basic.
yeah. It's a basic
had?
shiny double.
Oh, it's a shiny.
We've already got that one.
Shiny.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we've got a shiny double from
We
this.
shouldn't have double shiny.
And we've got a Sphere.
Sphere.
And we've got
Trapinch.
Trapinch. And Natu we've got.
Sneezer.
Do we have Sneasel? I don't remember that
I don't
image.
know, read it anyway.
It is a sharp claw Pokemon. They will cooperate to steal eggs from the nests of bird Pokemon. but fights break out to determine which one gets to eat the eggs.
Well, why can't they share if there's so...
Flubber bee. I think we've got that one as well. Okay. I'm going to get the Blastoise then.
Blastoise!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh. He's going to get 2 shinies.
Ready?
Yeah. Clay.
She's already got.
Lily's full force. That sounds a little bit...
Let's hope you're upwind of her.
Tangrowth.
This is a new one.
Yeah, we've had Tangler, but not Tangrowth. Vine Pokemon. It ensnares prey by extending arms made of vines. Losing arms to predators does not trouble it. Just grows more, I guess. Energy! Woo! Shiny, shiny! That's a shiny Alolan Persian. GX.
It's got a very fat face though.
Yeah, but I think that's part of the Alolan Persian.
Next.
Shiny, shiny!
And I think this might be a double as well. Shiny level.
Oh, we got that one already?
I think so, yeah. Bing! Eevee!
Eevee! That's your favourite one. Do you want me to read it?
Yep.
So you can look at it longer. Evolution Pokemon. The question is, why only Eevee has such unstable genes has still not been solved. Magnemite! Grimer. But that's a Lowland
I think
Grimer.
this might be a new one.
Isn't the Lowland Grimer like multicoloured?
Yes.
no, that's
when
muck.
when
Muck,
it gets
innit?
evolved.
Yeah. Sludge Pokemon. There are 100 or so of them living in Alola's waste disposal site. They're all hard workers who eat a lot of trash.
Good for them.
Phantom.
Yeah, we've had that one. And
Rowlet.
Come on, your last go.
I want a whole pack of shinies. Every single one to be a shiny.
Well, you never know.
No, it's going to be like one.
Celio.
Have we had that one before?
Ball roll Pokemon. I don't think we have. It has a very sensitive nose. It touches new things with its nose to examine them. No, I don't think we
Like
have.
a cat. What cat's doing it?
Herdia. That's a loyal dog Pokemon. I think we've had that one.
Evolved Lily.
Because I think we took the piss out of the name, that term. We've had that one.
Hankamo!
And that's Fairy Energy. Bravery we've had.
Shiny, shiny.
Throw. And it's a Judo Pokemon. I don't think we have had him, no. When it tightens its belt, it becomes stronger. With Throw, it...
Wild Throw.
Also, Roughies finds to weave their own belts.
Literally just had that one. And that one.
I need to shuffle the cards a little bit more, don't you think? Cottony, we've had.
But not in the last pack, so I'll let you read
First
the
Sphere.
name.
That's it. So that's not bad. I mean, I think in regards to the collection, we're almost finished.
Really?
But I don't think we're going to finish it completely.
Oh. Well, in the what we've got left, we've got 4 packs left.
Yeah.
So we're definitely going to finish that on the next one.
Yep.
I would
Thanks for
say.
watching. Bye.
Bye.